Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, we're covering a song request, and today we'll be learning another sensational hit from Ritviz, Udd Gaye. I'm sure many of you must be excited to learn this song, so with no more ado, take out your uke, tune it in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 4 easy chords, and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C should sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor should sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F should sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G should sound like this. So guys, now let's talk about strumming pattern, and in this song we're using one common strumming pattern which you will be repeating throughout the song. Okay, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So guys, now let's understand how the strumming pattern would sound when you play it in the song. So for that we use one chord for now, and that chord is chord C. So hold chord C and start playing the pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, now once you're done with chord C, you practice this pattern exactly the same way with all other chords. Okay, so chord A minor, chord F and chord G, and you have to practice in the same way like we did for chord C. So guys, now let's understand how you will utilize this pattern to play various sections of this song. So the song is super easy. You have to repeat the same thing again and again. So we have our chords as chord C, A minor, F and G. Okay, you have to play all these chords one by one. Okay, so first chord C, then chord A minor, then chord F, then chord G. Okay, and when you play it together, it should sound like this. So guys, the song starts with a pretty funky intro melody, and that intro melody would look like this. So guys, to play this intro melody, you have to focus on 2 strings. So string 2 and string 3. And you start with fret 7. So you start like this. Okay, so fret 7, then fret 10, then fret 8, Then you again play fret 7. Now you tap string 2 on fret 5 3 times. Then you go to string 3. Then you play fret 5 on string 3. Then you go back to string 2. Okay, so fret 8, 7. Then you again play fret 8 and then a slide to fret 10. So 8 and then 10. And then you again play fret 7 and fret 10. Okay, so one more time, very slowly. So guys, to play this song, I'm using a capo and placing it on 2nd fret. Okay, so in case you have a capo, then you place it on 2nd fret and you start playing the same chords, and you also adjust melody over the fretboard. Now in case you do not have a capo, then you can also play this song without a capo. This is not mandatory. However, if you want to play around with your scale, you want to adjust the song as per your voice range, then you can use a capo. So now, as we understood everything, let's start playing the song. हम तो उड़ गए जब तुम झुके, फिर से तुम नजर में आ रुके। हम तो उड़ गए जब तुम झुके, फिर से तुम नजर में आ रुके। हम तो हो गए जमा, धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो हो जाए जहाँ। अब तो हो गए जमा, धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जहाँ।